राम कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। नित्यलीला प्रवितम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम वेदांत गोस्वामी महाराज श्री भक्ति रसधर गोस्वामी गोस्वामी महाराज एवं पवित्र शिवाल महाराज समस्त वैष्णव वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ सर्वदंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार है। आज हम लोग प्रातः काल से राधा जी की आविर्भाव तिथि मना रहे हैं। उनकी अपराजित लीला कथाओं को वैष्णव
Hare Krishna. So from today morning we are celebrating Srimati Radhika's appearance day, and we are also from the morning hearing the glories of Srimati Radhika from the different Vaishnavas, like how Srimati Radhika appeared into this material world, into the Bhauma Vrindavan from the transcendental abode. So all these things we were hearing. So whoever glorify this katha, the birth of Srimati Radhika, appearance of Srimati Radhika, and whoever thinks about it, whoever speaks about it, whoever listens about it, will definitely go back to the Godhead of Lord Shri Krishna. So how Shukdev Goswami is telling here, Anugrahami Mad Bhakta in this shloka. Bhavet, Bhavet means must do. In this Bhavet, the word Bhavet means must do. So, the sweet Leelas and Harikathas of Lord Krishna or Bhagavan should definitely hear by everyone. So here it is telling Bhaved, you must hear. It is an instruction or an order. If you do not follow the order, then it is an offense. So in the Sanskrit, we should follow the niyam.
और भगवान कैसे करुणामय है, जीवों की कल्याण के लिए नित्य गुरु वृंदावन धाम से वो लीलाओं को जो है प्रकट करें.
So the Lord, for the benefiting of these souls, bounded souls of Maya, Lord Krishna appears in this world just to help these jivas. Why? So these conditioned souls are always interested in the material things, material talks. They will always be hearing about the material things, but there is no use out of this, and you will be here only life after life in this material world, and you will be in the moha of Maya, in the laps of Sri Maya. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is telling the story. In one forest there was a pigeon and her husband, like husband and wife pigeon, female and male pigeon was staying in a forest, and they had a beautiful nest, and female pigeon had laid some eggs. After a few days, even the eggs got hatched and small baby pigeons were born. So these pigeons, both the pigeons, started to think that we will go
उड़ करके थोड़ा आगे
for
गए,
the searching of the food
देखा,
somewhere near the forest.
जंगल के एक स्थान पर जो है सुंदर सुंदर चावल के कण जो है
So
बिखरा हुआ है।
this female pigeon
चावल,
saw
बासमती चावल।
there was some basmati rice
देख करके
fall down on
कबूतर
in the forest.
के मुंह में लार टपकने लगा।
The female pigeon started
कबूतरी कहने
to
लगी,
watering from her mouth.
पुरुष के घर में, चलो हम दोनों
The female pigeon said,
ये चावल की
"Come,
जो है, कण को हम लोग
let's go
इकट्ठा
and we will eat this rice and we will take it to our babies also."
छोटे मुन्ने बच्चों को भी
खिलाएंगे.
किंतु देखो कबूतर पुरुष जो है वो विचक्षण पड़ा, विचार करने लगे।
But the male pigeon was very intelligent. He just started to think, this is a forest where there are no men are found.
जरूर दाल में
Who would have put these grains here, or who would have grown this rice here? There is something fishy about it. So we should not go and touch these grains. There is something fishy. But the female pigeon was telling, you always think like this. Meanwhile, some other birds will come and eat and go, and we will not have anything
क्या
there.
करना चाहिए?
So we should go first and collect all the rice.
उस चावल के कण को हम किंतु कबूतर पुरुष कहने लगे, नहीं मत जाओ मत जाओ।
But the male pigeon said, no, don't go, don't go.
कबूतरी
But the female pigeon did not accepted it. She just flied without caring to anyone.
और जाकर के क्या करने लगी? वो चावल के दाने की जो है चुनने लगी।
And she started to collect the grains from the ground.
किंतु वास्तव रूप में वह
But
बड़े
practically,
बहरे हुए शिकारी
The hunter
जाल को ऊपर बिछा
had put an
एक दिन
net
शिकारी आएगा,
which was very like almost invisible. Like Maharaj was telling, शिकारी आएगा, दाना दाएगा, जाल बिछाएगा और रोप से फंसना नहीं. This has a deep meaning which Maharaj is telling.
ठीक उसी प्रकार कबूतरी बस ठक 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 ठक
So
एक-एक दाना
the pigeon started to pick the grains from the
इतने समय दूर से
ground,
वो बहरिया जो है, शिकारी जो है,
and from the far away there was a hunter. She saw the
साथ ही साथ
hunter, and immediately that hunter caught this pigeon in the net. It started to tremble.
कबूतर करने लगे, कबूतरी
The
में-
pigeon started to say, the male pigeon started to say, "Oh my dear, I said you, don't go, don't
तुम्हारे
go,
साथ हमारे
but you did
अंतिम
not listen.
विराम है।
And this is your last,
अति सत्तर जल्दी जल्दी
this is our last meeting."
वो शिकारी बहरिया आकर के तुमको मार करेगी, तुम मर जाओ और तुम्हारे विरोध में मैं भी मर जाऊं और हमारे
So
छोटे
that
छोटे
pigeon said,
बच्चे भी जो है वो भी
That hunter will come now and kill you, and with the separation I will also die, and he will also take our kids, and he will kill.
क्या होगा? ऐसे करके कबूतर जो है जाल के बाहर
By telling this,
अंतिम विदाई
pigeon
है,
send off her
प्रकट करे।
she pigeon,
और
like
इतने-
female pigeon.
उनके प्रति आसक्ति और दूर से बहरी ने क्या की, शिकारी ने क्या की, एक तीर लगाया, है, धनुष से तीर लगाया।
So from the
और
far away the
उसके
hunter
कबूतर को
delivered an arrow, and it went and hit the heart of this female pigeon,
कबूतरी के सामने कबूतर के
and in front of the male pigeon
और
the she
कबूतर,
pigeon died.
है, छटपटाते हुए प्राण भाई को छोड़ दिया, है, और इसके पश्चात जो है और शिकारी आकर के कबूतर के जाल से निकाला और दोनों के जो है कबूतर के दोनों के टांग को एक साथ में बांध करके
And male pigeon also went to rescue the pigeon female pigeon, and male pigeon also got caught. Male pigeon also got caught. So male pigeon, he tied both the legs of this pigeon and he captured it, and he put in the fire and he ate it. But he was not satisfied. He searched for the net, and he also took all the babies of this pigeon and he started to put it in the fire and ate it. What is the essence of this story? The essence of story is, in this material world, the conditioned soul are so much submerged in the materialistic activities and they are so absorbed in materialistic things, and at the time of death they will be nowhere. So Lord is telling Anugrahaya Bhaktanam.
भगवान कृपा करके अपने नित्य लीला को जो है कहाँ गोलोक वृंदावन वही लीला को जो है इस जगत में प्रकाशित कर कैसे प्रकाशित
So Shukdev Goswami is telling in Bhagavatam that Lord comes to this Bhaumya Vrindavan. He appears here, and also with him he also appears his dham in this material world, just to benefit the conditioned soul, to take back all the conditioned souls to the back to his Godhead. And we conditioned souls, we cannot even chant the Lord's name. We just hold the chanting bag and we just tell something and we'll be thinking something. So this is mind controlling is not so easy. But Harikatha is very different. The transcendental sound is very different. So if you hear this Katha, Harikatha, this transcendental vibration from the Hari Guru and Vaishnavas, you will enter into the ears and it will help you to come out of this Maya. So in Srimad Bhagavatam it is mentioned, Shrunvatam Satatam Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtana Nashta Prayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. So by hearing the Bhagavad Katha, Hari Katha, we will get all kind of auspiciousness and we will be delivered from this material world. So today we are hearing about Srimati Radhika from morning. Many times we heard about Sri Radhika. We don't have any other work. From the morning we are just hearing and glorifying Srimati Radhika. And Maharaj is revising whatever he said in the morning. So Srila Maharaj is telling that Srimati Radhika in some kalpa she appeared in Raval. Sometime she appeared in the womb of Sri Kirtidas, Mother Kirtidas womb. Sometimes she appeared in Barsana. Sometimes she appeared in the fire sacrifice. Does anyone appear in the fire? But Radhaji can appear in the fire. In some kalpa, Srimati Radhika also appeared from the lotus. In this kalpa, Srimati Radhika appeared in the 1,000-petal lotus and the Yamuna river. So in different kalpas, Srimati Radhika is appearing in different ways. This all mentioned in scriptures and shastras. Radharani is not ordinary. She is the Swarup Shakti of Sri Krishna. She is the Hladini Shakti, prescribing deity of Sri Hladini Shakti of Sri Krishna. And she is very transcendental.
Radhani Saram Satarnam Prem Ananda Chinmayu Rasirvat Khan Premir Param Sar Mahabhav Jani Ei Mahabhav Rupa Radha Thakurani. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Radha Tattva is mentioned. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is mentioning Radha Tattva in Chaitanya Charitamrita. What is the essence of love? The essence of love is Mahabhav, and this Mahabhav's personality is Srimati Radha. To understanding this, what is love, what is this Mahabhav, is very, very difficult. Although we, by hearing the Harikatha again and again in our heart, one day it will manifest everything in our heart. Mahabhav Swarupa Swarupa Gunayupi Pariyasi Mahabhav Swarupa Swarupa Gunayupi Pariyasi Prem Premir Swarupa Deha Prema Vivahita Krishna Priyasi Srishta Jagati Vidita Prem ke Sakshat. She is the deity of love.
प्रेम के स्वरूप
condensed love. She is the deity of condensed love.
प्यार
In this world, what is the swarup of love? What is this love in this world? I love you.
क्या प्यार करते हो?
What you love
मुंह से
me?
निकल जाता है
Only from mouth we are telling I love you.
होता है
Love is not
जो
such
कहते
a
हैं ना,
thing.
मैं तुम्हें
People say na
प्रेम
that
करता हूं,
I love
प्रेम
you,
करते नहीं, वो करते नहीं।
but they are not actually doing.
हमारे आचार्य पाद
Our Acharya Pad, our Guru Varga says
मुंह से
that
एक बार निकल जाए ना वो नष्ट हो जाता है। जैसे कोकुल
so
है ना,
so they're telling if the love comes out of your mouth, then it is destroyed. Like how
स्थान में रख दिया जाए तो क्या हो जाएगा?
like how the camphor
ठीक उसी
the
प्रकार
camphor if it is kept outside, it will get melted. In the same way, if you say about the love, it is wasted. Just think, if someone is got fever and by touching the body you can identify the heat of the body and you can identify it is fever. In the same way, what is the lakshan? Lakshan means symptoms of love. The symptom of love is seva vritti, for service attitude.
गाय जब बछड़ा को जन्म देती है,
When cow gives birth to its calf,
देखो गाय क्या करती है?
what does the cow does?
एक क्षणकाल के लिए अपने बछड़ा को भी
It cannot leave even 1 second also its baby.
वो अपने क्या करती है? अपने जिया से चाट करके उसे साफ सुथरा करती है।
मतलब
वो सेवा करती है। क्योंकि सेवा ही प्रेम के
so cow is also licking calf's body. That is because of love.
I love you. क्या love you, right?
So people say I love you. What is this? You should say I hate you. I kill you. If someone says I love you, you should say I hate you, then I kill you.
और फिर क्या
And
करते हैं?
people also, first they say I love you, then they say I hate you, and then I say I kill you.
तो इस जगत में कहाँ पे?
In this world there is no love. It is true. Maharaj is telling true.
अपराधी दिव्य राधा जी के प्रेम के स्वरूप की बारे में हम श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
So that
इसलिए देखा सही महाभाव है प्रेमेर स्वरूप देव प्रेम विवादित प्रेमेर
Now, okay, now okay.
सही महाभाव है चिंतामणि सार कृष्ण वंशा पूर्ण करे एक कार्य तार महाभाव चिंतामणि राधा स्वरूप
Radha Swarup,
ललितादि
Lalita,
सहितादि काय
Kai
विभोर
Biharu,
राधापति कृष्ण
Radha
सुगंधि
Krishna
पुष्पत्तान
Sugandhi
राधे सुगंधि देह उज्जल वरण
Ujjala
और चैतन्य चरितामृत में वास्तव प्रेम की एक
So in Chaitanya Charitamrita,
रूपरेखा वर्णन करते हैं
practical love. What is the practical love? It is mentioned in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. What is love?
सही महाभाव होय
Sei
चिंतामणि
Mahabhav hoy Chintamani Sar.
चिंतामणि क्या है
What is Chintamani? Touchstone.
चिंतन करने से अपने आप आपके पास एक
Chintamani is a kind of
और इनके
stone.
पास
Just
सब
by
चिंतामणि। कौन श्रेष्ठ है
Chintamani Shrestha.
क्योंकि एक ही चिंतामणि जो आपको फल देगी 10 चिंतामणि होंगे।
So Maharaj is telling this Chintamani. Chintamani is what?
जिसे कह रहे हैं,
The stone.
सही
If
महाभाव
you have
है
that stone,
चिंतामणि
if you think
सार,
something, you will just get
कृष्ण
all the things,
वांछा
whatever you think.
पूर्ण करे एक कार्य था।
This is called
वही
Chintamani.
राधा जी कहे
So Srimati Radhika
श्रीमती राधिका
is the Swarup of Mahabhav.
प्रकार की इच्छा है तो सब
She
क्या करें?
always pleasing all types of desires of Lord Krishna. Whatever desires Krishna has, Srimati Radhika is fulfilling all kinds of desires of Lord Krishna.
राधा जी
What is the desire of Krishna actually? The desire of Krishna is only Radhika. Eko aham. I am one.
बहुत स्वामी
Bahushyami. Then he started writing Bahushyami and manifested himself in different ways.
वही जो शक्ति जो है इच्छा शक्ति है प्रकाश पर है एक बार कृष्ण चंद्र नित्य बलव वृंदावन धाम में विराजमान अकेले है
So Lord Krishna was alone in transcendental abode There was no one else
क्योंकि कृष्ण
with
के क्या
Krishna.
कहा जाता है? शक्तिमान कहा जाता
Shaktiman,
है। और राधा जी के क्या कहा जाता है?
Sarva Shakti, Mahi.
शक्तिमान, शक्तिमान। किंतु ये शक्ति कहाँ पर है?
Shaktiman में
शक्ति के
रहता
दो
है.
प्रकार कहा जाता है, एक मूर्त और एक
Amurt.
है।
So
जब
this
कृष्ण
Shakti,
अकेले
the
रहते
potency,
हैं, उनकी शक्ति
has
उनके अंदर में
two
रहती है।
types. One is
कहा जाता
Murt
है,
and one is
शक्ति कैसे
Amurt.
रहती है? मूर्त। जब कृष्ण
So
स्वयं इच्छा
when
प्रकट करते हैं,
this potency stays inside the
कुछ करने के लिए
Krishna, it
इच्छा,
is called Amurt.
वही शक्ति बाहर आकर के मूर्त रूप में प्रकाश हो जाती है। ठीक उसी प्रकार कृष्ण विचार कर रहे थे। एक वहाँ,
So in this way, Krishna started to think, Eko Aham Bahut Sa.
करके साथ ही साथ
By thinking this,
प्रकट करना है। इसलिए
Lord Krishna manifested in many ways.
अनेक जो है रस माधुर्य आस्वादन
So what he manifested? Why he manifested? Just to enjoy the different types of Ras Madhurya.
है? बहुत जन हो आनंद होता है संसार है। अनेकों पति पत्नी एक आ रहे दुखा सुखा क्या खाए।
So what is the happiness in this material world? The happiness in material world is being with many people.
मद भक्त जत्र गायन्ति
Tatra Tishtami Narada.
फिर वैकुंठ में केवल विष्णु और अपने
So Krishna is telling here, I will not be even Vaikuntha, spiritual abode. I will not be in yogi's heart. But where I will be, wherever my devotees sing, I will just stay there. In Dwarka there are 16,108 queens.
पत्नी के गर्भ में कितने 10 पुत्र होंगे
And each queen was begotten with 10 boys and 1 female girl. So these are Krishna's kids. Each queens had 10 boys and 1 queen, 1 girl. So how much they make noise? How much they will make? We cannot maintain 2 babies in this material world, but Krishna is maintaining so many people, so many.
पायखाना भी नहीं करते रोता नहीं वो डॉक्टर को दवाई लेके जाना पड़ता है। और इस संसार में है भगवान भी लोकवत्तु लीला कैवलम मनुष्य के भांति लीला दिखा।
So Lord is also showing pastimes like a human.
और ये विशाल संसार इसलिए होता है।
So 16,108 queens.
तो उसी प्रकार कृष्ण नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम में
So in this way, Lord Krishna, in the Nitya Goloka Dham Vrindavan, transcendental abode, Bhaumya Vrindavan, he is always playing the flute. A very cold wind is breezing, and Yamuna river is flowing, and so many flowers.
और भगवान की इच्छा से
By the desire of Krishna, different types of flowers are blossomed. Madhvi, Malati, different types of fragrant flowers.
मनोरम स्थान देखते देखते कृष्ण की ये दाएं अंग जो है
By seeing this, Lord Krishna's right hand started to shake. Shake, Kampan. Kampan, Ashru, Pulaka.
और देखते देखते ही इसी कल्पों में बलदेव प्रभु प्रकट हुए
And by seeing,
इसी कल्पों में
in some kalpa, Baldev Prabhu appeared from his right side, and in some kalpa, Lord Shiva appeared from his right hand.
कृष्ण के कुछ समय के बाद
And after some time, Lord Krishna's left hand started to shake.
और देखो देखते देखते ही एक सुंदरी बालिका
And a beautiful young girl appeared from the left hand side of Krishna. It was so beautiful. She was so beautiful that no one was there in this world, and not only word, 3 words to match the beauty of her.
देखो वो सुंदरी ऐसे थी उनके सौंदर्य माधुर्य किसी
She was so beautiful. No one can express by the words, by the comparison or anything. She was so beautiful. Just by her, from the tip of her toe to the tip of her hair, It was so beautiful. No need to apply anything. Nowadays, people apply everything. If the hair becomes white, the people are putting the hair color.
किंतु वे ऐसे नहीं,
So,
इतने सुंदर।
but this girl was not like this. She was so beautiful. Everything was natural. Curly hairs and long hairs.
नीचे तक,
The hairs was touching till her
और
knees.
इतनी सुंदर आंख जो है,
Her beautiful eyes. How was her eyes?
लंबी लंबी आंख है।
Very big like a lotus. उग्रम मतलब क्या? उग्रम मतलब
जिसके आंख जो है उग्रम होता है, वो भगवान बनना चाहता है। जिसके आंख बड़ी
filled and opened.
शास्त्र में लिखा गया,
In Shastras it is mentioned whose eyes are big, they are considered as lucky.
इतनी वो सुंदरी थी। उनकी अंगों
She was
की
so
छटा
beautiful.
कैसे?
Her body effulgence, how it was.
मानो तप्त कांचन की थी,
Tapta Kanchana, molten gold.
पराभूत सौंदर्य माधुरी पराभूत कर दी।
It was like a molten gold.
नवगोरी चला गौरी। इतनी
Navagoro Chana Gauri,
नागिनी राधा जी की वही अंगों
like a
नागिनी
new
कितने
molten gold.
शब्दों के द्वारा वर्णन। जैसे हमारे कृष्णदास कविराज क्या वर्णन करते हैं?
Our Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is also explaining Raurave Ballavendra Pada Padma Dasya Dastu Radhika
कुंकुमाप्त कंचन अब्ज गर्भहारी गौरव।
Kumkumapta Kanchana Abja Garvahari Gaurava.
कलश में उसमें कुमकुम लगा दिया जाए, कुंकुमाप्त कंचन।
In a golden pot, if you put some kumkum, it will be so beautiful
जैसे प्रकाशमान
and it will be so effulgence.
कमल, सोने के कमल, और उसके ऊपर यदि सुंदर एक लाल चादर ढक दिया जाए, उसके सौंदर्य माधुर्य जैसे भी करते हैं,
So Maharaj is telling, like a golden lotus, on the golden lotus, if you just put a small red color cloth, it will be even more beautiful. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika's body is also like
राधा
this.
जी का एक नाम क्या है? मतलब क्या नाम बताया था? श्यामा।
Shama.
श्यामा नाम किस लिए पड़ी है? राधा जी थोड़ी श्याम वर्ण थोड़ी।
No.
कृष्ण कौन सा वर्ण है?
Sham Varna.
काले। और राधा जी कौन सा?
So what is the name of Radharani's another name? It is Shama. What is the Shama?
श्याम के संबंध
Is Radharani's black color? No.
अरे नहीं। अरे श्याम के साथ संबंध
What is Krishna's color? Krishna's color is also Sham. Sham means black.
बहुत ही रस तत्व के विचार है।
So why she is called as Sham? Is she black in color? No.
जिनकी शरीर जो है,
Whose body-
काल में क्या होता है? थोड़ी सी शीतल रहता है, और ठंडी के समय शरीर क्या होता है? हल्का जो है हमें गर्म।
So whose body is cold at the time of summer and whose body is hot at the time of winter?
और जिनकी चरण कमल की स्पर्श से क्या होता है?
By whose touch of the lotus feet the flowers will blossom naturally.
प्रकृति का है, उस लोग का हम लोग रक्षा करते हैं। तो इसी प्रकार से इतने सुंदरी रचना है। और देखो वो सुंदरी क्या भी एक बार केवल कृष्ण
So,
की तरफ पीछे तरफ
Srimati Radhika was so beautiful. One time she just had a glance towards Krishna. That's all, finish. Atmaram, Atmakam, everything is finished. And that beautiful girl, Churaliya, stole the heart of Lord Krishna. And even Krishna was not able to stay back. He also started to run behind this beautiful young girl. They were running very far. And Lord Krishna overtake her, this beautiful girl, and catched her.
और यही स्थान पर है। इसलिए हमारे आचार्य पाद कहते हैं,
So our Acharya Pad, Guru Varga says, Radha. What is the Radha? Anuragena Krishna Dhavati iti Radha.
स्वयं कृष्ण देखो केवल अत्यंत जो अनुराग के साथ उनके तरफ
So Lord Krishna with Anurag. Anurag means like attached with love. Dha means dhav, running. So running behind the Anurag, running behind the love is called Radha.
राधा नाम की कृष्ण, ये राधा नाम कितनी मधुर।
Why Radha Naam is so sweet?
सुखदाई। कृष्ण कीर्तन करते हैं राधा
In Braj Vidu Kirtana, Bada
राधा नाम
Sukhdai.
परम
Sukhdai.
क्या सुख देते हैं? तो सुख देते,
Param Sukhdai.
परम सुख देते हैं।
So what pleasure she gives? Radha name is the essence of all pleasure. What pleasure she is giving? She is giving Param Sukh, transcendental pleasure.
यहाँ पर भी वर्णन है।
So here it is mentioned.
आगे चलते हैं।
We'll go further.
श्री महाभावाय चिंतामणि सार कृष्ण वंशा पूर्ण करे एकाग्रतार। कृष्ण के समस्त प्रकार की इच्छा, वंश माने इच्छा
So
को क्या कहते हैं?
the all kind of desires of Krishna is been fulfilled by Srimati Radhika.
ललितादि सगीतार
Mahabhava Chintamani Radhara Swaru.
राधापति कृष्ण स्नेह सुगंधे उद्वर्तन
Mudvartan.
ताते सुगंधि
Tate
देह
Sugandhi
उज्ज्वल
Deha
वरण।
Ujjvala Bharan.
कितने सुंदर भावों की प्रकाश है।
So very beautifully it is mentioned here by Srila Raghunath Das Goswami
संस्कृत श्लोक में
in the Sanskrit.
रूप में
Very beautifully is explaining. And Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also, he is they're just taking the essence of this bhav and is mentioning in Chaitanya Charitamrita.
बोले राधा जी के स्वरूप क्या है? ये महाभाव
What is the Swarup of Srimati Radhika? The Swarup of Srimati Radhika is Mahabhav Chintamani.
स्वयं राधा जी कृष्ण की सुख देने के लिए
Shri Radharani, just to give pleasure to Lord Krishna, she appeared in the different forms of Sakis.
श्रवण करते हैं।
So yesterday also we heard about this, how Srimati Radhika Rani manifested through manifested like different Sakis. Although she can able to manage, she can able to give pleasure to Lord Krishna alone. Although she manifested different types of Sakis. Why? Like variety. Maharaj said,
लोग इकट्ठा करने के लिए यही तात्पर्य है, और कोई कारण नहीं है।
so like varieties, different varieties give you more pleasure. So in the same way Radharani mentioned, Maharaj is giving one example that in pravachan also we need more people. If more people are there, we will feel so much enthusiastic to give pravachan.
भाई संत महात्मा के हृदय से वो कथा तब निकलता है।
So Maharaj is telling, Shrota. So Maharaj is telling this Sant Mahatma, the devotees are, that time they speak Harikatha when they get a good kind of Shrota who are listening. So if Shrotas are not listening, they are seeing here, there, up, down and watch. When Katha is over, they'll just run away. They'll eat prasad. Lal ki jai. So the speaker cannot speak. Speaker will be speaking and listener will be sleeping. Sleeping. Speaking. So Srimati Radharani can fulfill all types of pleasures for Krishna. She can fulfill all types of desires of Krishna. Although she can do, but still for the sake of varietiness, she manifested herself into different Sakis. Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. So in this shloka's tika, commentary Srila Ji Goswami Pad is mentioning all these Sakhis are not so ordinary. They just appeared for the fulfilling the desires of Krishna. Srimati Radharika Rani herself manifested into different types of Sakhis.
सेवा की परिपाठ की,
And different types of sevas they are individually handling.
विशेष करके 64 प्रकार के जो
Especially there are 64 types of arts.
इसको पहला समझ, आर्ट है, उसमें कौन सा आर्ट के बारे में दो एक नाम बताओ।
नृत्य कला, गाना.
अरे रंधन सीखो, ये रंधन है ना, रंधन माने रसोई बनाना, ये भी
Cooking,
शिल्पकला में आता है।
cooking.
अच्छी तरह से जो है रसोई
So cooking is also one kind of art.
जला फला करके दे दो। हैं? हमारे नवद्वीप के ठाकुर जो है जला फला करके नहीं खाते, वो देख के कहेंगे हम 3 दिन से
So if anybody,
भूखे हैं, तुम्हारे जो सेवक जो है चावल के जला दिया।
so one time in Navadvip one devotee offered bhog, it was burnt, and Srila Thakurji came to the Param Gurudev's dream and said, from the 3 days I am very hungry, this person is giving me the burnt rice. So like this Thakurji was speaking, even in the Jagannath Puri also it is happening the same thing.
और आपने जो मथुरा से जो कपड़े ले, वो कपड़ा मुझे, हाँ ये सत्य है।
So Srila Gurudev, Jagannath also came in Jagannath Puri to Param Gurudev, Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and said, I want the cloth which you have got from Mathura, because I am wearing torn cloths. So Srila Gurudev, Param Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj went and gave the cloth to Jagannath. There is a pastime. Maharaj is mentioning this.
इसलिए ये समझते कथा का नहीं, ये कृष्ण वंशा पूर्ण करे एक आज्ञा, महाभाग चिंतामणि राधार स्वरूप ललितादि सखिता रिकाय उभरू, ये समस्त सखियां समस्त प्रकार सेवा में निपुण।
So all these Sakhis are very expert in different kinds of seva. Like how Srimati Radhika is expert in all kinds of services, in the same way this Sakhi is also very expert in all kinds of seva, because they are not different from Srimati Radhika. They are just body, but the soul is Srimati Radhika. Like yesterday we were hearing in Lalita Saptami how Srimati Lalita was talkative, that even Lord Krishna cannot reply back, and he was running, and she was giving shiksha, training to Srimati Radhika also. So in this way Srimati Lalita Devi also giving training to Srimati Radhika.
कृष्ण जिससे शिक्षा अधिक ग्रहण करती है, स्वयं कृष्ण कहते हैं राधिकार प्रेम गुरु আমি শিষ্য না হ্যাঁ कहां प्रेमे नचार আমার গুরুভাগ।
Sorry, there was a small correction. Previously I said that Jagannath came into the dreams. It was not Jagannath, it was Tota Gopinath who came into the dream of Sri Param Gurudev.
कृष्ण बंसी बजाते, ये कृष्ण बंसी बजाना कहां से सीखी?
So Radha ji is also giving training to Krishna. Krishna is playing flute. How Krishna is playing flute? Where he learned from? He learned from Shri Radhika.
प्रेम के गुरु, जैसे गुरु जैसे शिष्य के जो है एक एक शब्द के जैसे शिक्षा, उसी प्रकार राधा जी कृष्ण के जो है इसमें शिक्षा।
So how Lalita Devi gives training to Srimati Radhika, in the same way Srimati Radhika also giving training to Krishna. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in his the book called Shri Krishna Bhavamrita very beautifully is mentioning the Leelas, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is also telling
श्री कृष्ण भावनामृतम ग्रंथ और जो जहाँ पर श्लोक है केवल है, जिसमें सब दासी भवानी विश्वभानुते के है,
दासी भवानी,
सब कितने सुंदर सुंदर गुरुदेव जी से पता सुना है, दासी भवानी विश्वभानु कुमारी है, तवामृत लहरी, एक स्तवामृत लहरी है, एक स्तवामृत लहरी है, विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती की जरूरत है? आज वो ग्रंथ में इतने सुंदर है, विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। और वही राधा जी को कौन शिक्षा देते हैं?
So who, Lalita ji.
प्रेम राज्य की
So who is giving training to Srimati Radhika?
इस तरफ कैसे
Is
शिक्षा
Lalita.
देना है?
This is all in the kingdom of love.
प्रेम के बारे में समझना इतने सहज नहीं।
Understanding this love is not so easy.
ललिता देश गीतार काय रूप रामापति कृष्ण सिंह सुगंधि उद्वर्तन ताते सुगंधि देह उज्जवल वर रामापति कृष्ण स्नेह सुगंधि उद्वर्तन। उद्वर्तन समझते हैं? उद्वर्तन होता है जैसे विवाह आदि के समय उसमें समझ है, 4 प्रकार के इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो है दूल्हा दुल्हन के शरीर पर जो है लगाया जाता है।
What is this Udvartan? Udvartan means the 4 kind of ingredients at the time of marriage they apply on the body of bride and groom. Kumkum, agru, chandan and karpur. Kumkum, chandan, agru, karpur.
एक जो है एक प्रकार के घास होता है,
One kind of grass.
उसके नीचे के तरफ
Also.
जो है ऐसे होता है, मूली के तरफ होता है।
Under down time there is one, in the down of this grass there is a kind of root. So they grind this along with some fragrantic things and the body will get shine by applying this to the body. We cannot understand now because we are not married. So I don't know exactly what is this. So here Radha Prati Krishna Sneha Sugandhi Udvardhan.
कितने राधा जी के प्रति राधा प्रति कृष्ण स्नेह, कृष्ण की स्नेह अथवा राधा जी के स्नेह दोनों एक दूसरे के द्वारा
Sneha means
कैसे
friendship.
स्नेह के द्वारा
Friendship.
अनुबंधन होता है, जिसे कहा जाता है क्या?
Through the friendship of Radha and Krishna, there is something called Anubandhan. Attachment is formed and this is called Anurag.
वर्णन करते हैं।
Our Rup Goswami Pad in Ujjwal Nilamani Grantha, he is mentioning meaning of Anurag. Prasthanu, Snehanu, Bandhanam. Each other, by the friendship, they become
दर्शन में
Prem. Anurag is Prem.
अनुराग कहने से
By the friendship of each other,
उज्जवल बनी होगा।
the love is
क्या
attained.
बताया?
That is called Anurag. Anurag means love. Parasparanu Snehanu Bandhanam.
स्नेह के द्वारा
Each and other, like both each and other, through friendship they obtain this love.
हमारे आचार्य जो बात इसके एक एक शब्द की जगह अनेक लीला आदि के द्वारा वर्णन करते। एक समय राधा जी कृष्ण के साथ मिले, निवृत्त निकुंज कुंज में मिले और उसकी कुंज के द्वार पर ललिता देवी खड़ी हुई थी। जब राधा जी जब कुंज से बाहर आई तो उस समय ललिता देवी राधा जी की पूछ हे राधे, तुम अपने प्राण कंत गोविंद की कुछ रूप वर्णन कर। राधा जी कहिए रोते रोते कहने लगी, ललिते मैंने प्रभु कृष्ण को देखा ही नहीं। मैंने देखा ही
So one time Srimati Lalita ji was standing outside of the Kunj and Radharani came out of the Kunj and she met Lalita Devi. So Shri Lalita Devi asked, you explain about your Govind. What is this Govinda? How he is?
हमारे वो कीर्तन करते हैं ना, देखो कितने सुंदर सुंदर भावना जो ब्रज की भावना कितनी।
So Srimati Radhika Rani started to explain the beautiful beauty of Govinda with bhav.
करके भी ऐसे लगता नहीं करूं दर्शन है।
So
चातक पक्षी के भांति
by having darshan also we feel that we did not had darshan.
एडवाइस स्काईलार्क इतने सुंदर जो है रूपमान।
As skylark will drink the water in the particular star, in the same way
Srimati Radhika also, she is very eager to drink the nectar of Krishna, in the sense his beauty.
कितने सुंदर भावुक लगते हैं। वास्तव रूप में राधा जी की तत्व इसमें कोई वर्णन करे तो इस कथा को यदि कोई वर्णन करे कितना
So Srila Param Gurudev used to explain this. Now Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Maharaj will speak about this. I think it's time of Maharaj is telling. So how beautiful Bhav is explained here. Practically, what is this Radha Tattva? What is this Radha Tattva? What is the loving relationship of Radha and Krishna? To know this, we have to read Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. We have to hear Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Vanchakalpadara Vesha Kripa Sindhu Vecha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavabhyo Namah. Dandavat Pranam all devotees. If any offense, please forgive me. Hare Krishna.